Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dead battery of this Bluetooth earbud. If you can see, it's still charging, but unfortunately it doesn't last long anymore. I hope you can see that the red light is turning on and off, showing that it is charging, but unfortunately the battery is too old and can no longer hold charge. So I bought online this battery that I'm going to use to replace the old battery of this Bluetooth earbud. So let's check where is the positive and negative terminal of this battery, as there is no written uh, there is nothing is written whether this is the positive or this one is the positive. So let's just check it using our multimeter. Okay, let's put it in the 20-volt tab. Okay, I'm going to turn on the light behind it because we can't see it that much. Okay, let's test it, how much volt it has. Okay, it says negative 3.96. There should be no negative sign on that, meaning the positive is on the left side. Let's test it again. Okay, it can reach as high as 4 volt because this is a 3.7 volt battery. Let's test the other one. Okay, it's 3.98 volt without the negative sign. If you are going to transpose the position, it says negative 3.94. So meaning the left side is the positive side of this battery. Okay, you already know where is the positive and where is the negative side of the battery. Okay, if you have a cutter, you can use a cutter to open this Bluetooth earbud. Take your time. Okay, there is your Bluetooth earbud. Just remember how you removed it, the right position. This is small clip or tab should be positioned to touch this button. That's the power button. Then if you're going to take it out, there is the old battery. Okay, that is the one that we are going to replace. Okay, so let's take it out. I'm going to cut it. That's the old battery. Now we need to open up these wires to expose the coils. Okay, the proper technique to do a good soldering job is to build up some soldering uh, lead on those ends before trying to attempt to connect. So of course, I already put in some soldering paste on those, and then you try to put some soldering lead on here, and then build up on this end, so that it becomes a lot easier to connect it later. Now we know that the left side is the positive. Okay, now let's solder the BMS or the battery management system. Okay, as you can see, the BMS is already installed. Okay, so I did not show you the second process of soldering the BMS and the positive and negative wire to the proper terminals, so as not to prolong the video. Okay, as you can see, both earbuds are now powering up. So I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.